Welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 3.3.2. We've managed to go through the information in the previous questions. Please go through the information if you did not do so. Okay, so that you understand everything. And then now we want to calculate the size of angle A. Size of angle A, this angle here. Right, so what can we do here? We have this angle here. Let's see in triangle AFG. In triangle AFG, which is this triangle here, AFG, in triangle AFG, right? So we can find this angle here using the angle of inclination. And then using the exterior angle of a triangle, we can find the angle A, okay? Right, or using the angle sum in a triangle, you can find angle A. So the first thing we have to find this angle, let's call it G1. Let's say this is let's say this is G1, this is G2. Let's just name it the angle G2. Okay, let's find the angle G2, and then after finding angle G2, we can find the angle A. But now, how can we find angle G2? We need the gradient of AC. We need the gradient of AC, and then we can find the angle of inclination from that. Okay, let's find gradient of AC. So gradient of AC is equal to change in y over change in x. What are the coordinates of G? Oh, okay, we have the coordinates of C. Okay, so change in y over change in x. So we can say 10 minus negative 2. 10 minus negative 2 divided by negative 2 minus 4. Negative 2 minus 4, which is equal to 12 over negative 6, which is equal to negative 2. So the gradient of AC is negative 2. So remember, the gradient M is equal to tan theta. In this case, our angle is G2 there. So we can find our gradient, we can find our angle G2. So we're saying negative 2 is equal to tan angle G2. Okay, then how do you find angle G2? Is equals to arctan negative 2. Then you can put that in the calculator, and then you get what? Negative 63,43, showing that angle G2 is what is an obtuse angle. So we say, therefore, angle G2 is equal to negative, is negative what? Negative 63,43, negative 180 degrees minus negative, so minus 63 comma, 63,4,43 degrees. Okay, and then meaning that angle G2 is equal to 116,57 degrees. Okay, so this angle here is 116,57 degrees. Okay, right. If you check here, this is an exterior angle of a triangle, meaning that 81,87 degrees plus angle A must give us what? 116,57 degrees. So we're saying 81,87 degrees plus angle A is equal to 116,57 degrees. What's the reason? Exterior angle of triangle, right? And then angle A is equal to 116,57 degrees minus 81,87 degrees. So angle A is equal to what? 34,70 degrees. Okay, that is angle A there. Or you can even use this angle here. This is, we got that it is 63,43, 63,43, and then using the angle sum in triangle. Okay, angle sum in triangle, or interior, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle. We can find angle A is, say, 81,87 degrees plus 63,43 degrees plus angle A is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, angle sum in triangle. Then if you solve for A, you'll get this answer here. Okay, so that's what you're supposed to do there. And then the other method, we can look at triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC. Okay, all right. We have the three sides. We can find the three sides. Remember, the coordinates of B mean -4, -4. Right? Which rule can we use if we have the lengths or the distances of the three sides of a triangle? We can use the cosine rule. So we can find the length of these sides of the triangle here. So let's start with maybe BC. What is the length of BC? We can put this in the calculator. Remember the distance formula. Okay, like BC, I'll just show you for BC. BC is going to be, you can say BC, you can say maybe -4. I'm starting with this -4 minus 4, -4 minus 4, okay, squared plus -4 minus -2, -4 minus -2, okay, squared. And then put this in the calculator. You see that? Then we find the length of BC. Right, let's just do that. If you're finding the length of BC, you must get 2 root 17. And then the length of AC, you must get 6 root 5. And then the length of AB, you must get 10 root 2. Okay, right. And then now we want the angle A. So it means we say BC squared using the cosine rule. BC squared is equal to AB squared plus AC squared minus 2 times AB times AC cos A. Okay, right. And then we can substitute everything into this equation, and then we solve for what? For our angle. All right, so now we have BC 2 root 17 squared is equal to AB, which is 10 root 2 squared plus AC 6 root 5 squared minus 2 times 10 root 2, and then 6 root 5 cos A. Okay, right. And then we just substitute into the formula cos, no, let's make cos A the subject. We can bring this, let's bring this part to the left. Okay, so that becomes positive. Okay, let's bring this part to the left so that becomes positive. So it's 2, then 10 root 2, 6 root 5 cos A is equal to, and then this part here, 10 root 2 squared plus 6 root 5 squared minus this. Okay, so it's 2 root 17 squared. Okay, right, and then we can divide by this coefficient of cos A there, so it becomes cos A is equal to 10 root 2 squared. Don't round off, just put these things as they are, then squared minus 2 root 17 2, then all this over 2, and then 10 times square root of 2 times 6 times square root of 5. Okay, right, and then you can find a cos of this. Okay, so angle A is going to be a cos of this whole thing here, 10 root 2 squared plus 6 root 5 squared minus 2 root 17 squared like that over 2 10 root 2 6 root 5 like that. Okay, and then you put this in the calculator, you get that your angle is equal to 34.7 degrees. Okay, right, or you can just find this thing first, the value of this, but do not round off. You can find what this thing is first. It should be around 0.822 to something, but do not round off, and then find a cos of that. You'll get the same answer. Okay, so that's what it's supposed to do there for this question.